Firman versus lawnmower. Now as for the lawnmower. In this video, I will show you the actual decibels, actual dB of the Firman P03607 model generator, and I'll compare it to a standard lawnmower. 25 feet away. Decibels 25 feet away from the Yard Machine's 158cc lawnmower. So the conclusion of my tests show that the generator is about 5 decibels lower than a basic lawn mower. It's not the loudest generator out there, but it's not the quietest either. Either way, we know that it is slightly quieter than a standard lawn mower.